Thousands of Kurds from across France and Europe marched through Paris on Saturday, that is on 7th January, to show their anger over the unresolved murders of 3 Kurdish female activists in the French capital 10 years ago. The marchers were also mourning the 3 people killed outside the Kurdish Cultural Center in Paris 2 weeks ago, an incident which the prosecutors labelled as a racist attack. Although the organizers claimed that 25,000 people from all across Europe joined the rally, the Paris police put the figure at 10,000. Kurdish activists from Germany, the Netherlands, Switzerland and Belgium arrived in buses escorted by police and joined fellow Kurds from France in a peaceful march through northeast Paris. The demonstration was timed to mark the 10th anniversary of the killings of Sakine Kanziz, Fidan Dogan and Leila Seilmez on January 9, 2013. Marchers carried banners bearing the victims' portraits as well as flags for the PKK, which is banned in Turkey. While most marchers were Kurdish, the crowd also included left-wing French activists and some ethnic Turks. Organizers sought to keep the crowd contained. Paris police were on alert on Saturday after skirmishes at Kurdish gatherings in the past, notably in response to the last month's shooting. After the December 23rd attack, the suspected assailant told the investigators that he had a pathological hatred of non-European foreigners, according to the prosecutors. He was handed preliminary charges of racially motivated murder, though Kurdish activists suspect that the attack was politically driven. Turkey summoned France's ambassador last week over what it called propaganda by Kurdish activists in France after the shooting. Kanziz was the founder of the Kurdistan Workers' Party, also known as the PKK, which Turkey, the United States and the European Union consider a terrorist group. Kurdish activists suspect the Turkish intelligence service was involved in the killings. The suspected attacker, a Turkish citizen, died in French custody before the case reached trial. Turkish officials suggested at the time that the killings may have been a part of an internal feud among Kurdish activists or an attempt to derail the peace talks. The PKK has waged a separatist insurgency against the Turkish state since 1984. Turkey's army has battled the Kurdish militants affiliated with the PKK in southeast Turkey as well as in northeastern Iran, and recently launched a series of strikes against Kurdish militant targets in northern Syria.